This is where structure becomes process.
Transformation begins at industrial scale.
Automation amplifies precision at scale.
Fine detail defines the final product. Fine detail defines the final product.
Every product meets scrutiny before release.
Precision depends on perfect timing. Structure is reshaped under force.
Repetition becomes flawless.
Separation follows strict mechanical control.
Motion ensures uniform transformation.
Machines see what humans cannot. Every unit meets exact specifications.
Every unit meets exact specifications.
Representative samples ensure overall compliance.
Temperature stability protects consistency. Balance is adjusted with precision. Flow is constantly balanced.
Visibility allows perfection to emerge.
Visibility allows perfection to emerge. Uniformity is continuously corrected. Heat and cold are tools of control.
Decisions happen in milliseconds.
Machines refine what human eyes may miss. Machines refine what human eyes may miss. Nothing is left unmanaged. Texture defines the final outcome. Safety checks remain continuous. Texture is perfected before packing. Texture is perfected before packing.
Precision instruments quantify quality.
Human attention reinforces automation.
Data guides every adjustment. Systems prove themselves constantly.
Safety verification never skips a step.
Safety verification never skips a step.
Documentation ensures traceability.
Force is measured, never guessed.
Corrections happen instantly.
Accuracy is enforced in real time.
Check the alignment right here. It's not here, it doesn't.
Human oversight confirms precision.
Human oversight confirms precision.
Redundancy safeguards standards.
Clean transitions protect quality. Even distribution prevents variation. Information governs the process.
Order emerges from individual units.
Order emerges from individual units.
Environmental control supports quality.
Direction is constantly refined.
Shape begins to take form.
Reliability is built in layers.
Cleanliness remains the last defense.
Cleanliness remains the last defense.
Accuracy is confirmed before release. Refinement follows the initial cut. Force creates repeatable structure. Cleanliness keeps pace with speed. Measurement ensures final conformity. Measurement ensures final conformity. Weight compliance remains critical.
Cleanliness extends beyond visibility.
Shape is verified, not assumed.
Protection never claims attention.
Everything is aligned for the final stage. Everything is aligned for the final stage.
Safety is confirmed at every checkpoint.
Balance ensures downstream accuracy.
Recovers every margin.
Preparation defines efficiency.
Human decision initiates the final process. Human decision initiates the final process.
Random checks protect batch integrity.
Complexity resolves into flow.
Finish quality begins here.
Timing absorbs variation.
Precision continues without interruption. Precision continues without interruption.
Machines clean themselves between tasks. Stability prepares the next step.
Balance maximizes output.
Thermal control never stops.
Volume is organized into order.
Automation hands off with precision. Core processing reaches its conclusion.
Transformation reaches completion.
Final refinement is next.
The foundation is set for transformation.
Automation now takes the lead.